sauce with chili, and this one mango. Really nice. It's too much for me. Yo, this one is not my fruit favorite, but I just try. After exercise, I try to find another fruit to eat to support my body, because my body release, because I use my energies from my body a lot, and so now I would like to support. I need to feel some fruit, get more energy. Mostly I eat food 4 times a day, and some fruit also. But sometimes I don't have some buy, and so I try to find out another fruit from over there. Sometimes I call someone to buy some fruit and some food for me. And in the countryside, normally too far from my farm to market, and so it's a poor some seller to sell something over here. So at the farm, at the farm mostly, a farmer they come to do rice. This is the quiet place at the countryside near my farm, but no, not my farm, but my boss farm. I come to work here just a few months ago, but I hope that after I finish my work, I need to exercise because I love it. I love gym. Gym make me a good health and a strong body, and release my stress. If you want to be a good health, don't forget to exercise every day. Sometimes even though you don't have something in your own life, but you should try to make discipline how to stay focused on your goal. And the goal in our life is more important. After you, oh, a dog come to would like to come to eat mango with me, and the girl and the lady behind my back, she is a cooker. She try to play with me, but I don't have a time. I don't have any time, and so I try to focus on my video. And the last, if you like my video, please subscribe and like and comment below. If you would like to understand about Cambodia situation, let you comment below my video, and I try to tell you. Yeah. The final, my English is not good, but I try to speak. I try to speak English every day. Even English is not my mother tongue, but I try to speak from day by day, I hope someone understand my English a little. Even I try to speak. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much for me, Cambodia. Thank you.